Dr. Jim Orvick is here from the Oregon Vet Clinic, taking your calls at 270-9933. Good to see you again.
Good to be here.
You got some dog food news.
Well, I went to a meeting and the two different meetings with lectures about heart problems, and both of them talked about grain-free dog food. If they're labeled as grain-free, not meat, not all meat foods are okay, but grain-free apparently is causing some heart problems in dogs that didn't used to happen to most breeds. But
and there's a chart on the internet. You can see what...
Yes, you can find it on the internet. If you Google the grain-free dog food problems, I'm sure it'll come up. That's where I saw it after I listened to the lecture.
All right, let's get to the calls. We'll start with Beth in Madison. Hi, Beth.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. I'm calling because I have a 16-year-old dog who has a growth on her tail. She has a very fluffy tail, so she licks it a lot, and it becomes matted very quickly. Her vet has said that it would be difficult to remove because of where it is, but she's licking so much that it's now bleeding, and I'm wondering if there's anything you can recommend that would give her some relief for that.
Well, yes. I used to remove a lot of those, and I've even gone so far as take a tail off. But the thing is, I had a device that made dry ice, and I could freeze them. And it would quiet them down enough so they didn't lick them and they didn't bleed and didn't ooze all the time. So if you can find a vet that has one of those, I know human physicians have those. My wife gets things frozen off of her face.
Oh yeah, I've had it done too.
So it can be done, and it worked pretty well.
Okay, great. I'll follow up. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's go to Dawn in Madison. Hi, Dawn.
Yeah.
What's your question?
Yeah, I have a 1-year-old cat that I just got, and I'm wondering if I should get it declawed.
Yes. Well, always a debate.
Yeah, there's a lot of people who
don't believe in declawing cats. It's old school, and I thought, well, if the cat is going to have a happy home without claws, then it's worth doing it. And the thing about cats, their claws fold back. They don't use them for normal walking. So I think I would do it. If you don't want to clip nails or put little rubber things on the ends of them, that's the permanent solution.
Just make sure the cat doesn't get outside.
Yes, right. I mean,
got to be an indoor cat at that point.
That's right, absolutely, which 90% of them
should
are,
be anyway.
we hope. Because
should be anyway, right. All right, we are out of time. If you're on the line, stay there. Doctor will talk to you off the air. We'll see you next month.
Yes, sir.
Dane has one final check of the forecast.